Morning, everyone. Afternoon to others, and good evening to others, because I know we are watching this video from different places, some different continents. So, just to recap, this is the analysis I made a few days ago. You can check the video of this pair NZD CAD. This analysis a few days, I think. Check in the videos, you'll see. I did speak about me anticipating that here we are going to see the same thing that we saw, and indeed it panned out to be the same thing. If you remember very well, you check my previous video, it will show you. I did speak about this bearish flag that I do fear for those who are going to buy. I remember very well the price was here. This big bearish candle. I did speak about this candle while it was going up. This one, the bullish one, while it goes up, I said many are going to be trapped here with a buy, because this structure has been repeating itself. You can see here we saw the same bearish flag. You see here bearish flag even here. So I did anticipate. If you remember my last video, you'll see it. I left even this arrow anticipating that the market is still gonna go down, because NZD at the moment is weakening and CAD is strong. So I did this analysis, and praise God, I did collect some few pips, some dollars. So eventually this is how it panned out. So guys, I love what I'm doing and I'm passionate about it. This is where the price is now. Imagine if you have entered the trade here, you placed your sell and your stop loss just here, you could have collected a couple of pips. Let us count. Let's say you have entered here up to here, you have collected around 500, above 500 pips. So yeah, this is me loving to analyze, believing that you believe in the analyst. I love technicals. This is for me the best way to trade. Of course, I do check as well the fundamentals. I check the possibilities, but now I'm anticipating a reversal in the same pair. So anticipating a reversal, because if you check on stochastic, it is on oversold. You check an RSI, it is as well approaching with the -30, which is as well as oversold. So I am anticipating a reversal from here up to this area. This is where I'm anticipating we might see a reversal from here up to this area here. So I'm just observing. Probably this is what we're going to see, and then maybe again it falls down. But I'm really observing this pair, because I believe there's still a lot of money that I need to collect from this pair. So yeah, guys, I was just recapping on NZD CAD. So you can check in my previous video, I did speak about this this pair. Why this? Because if you've been in the market, you know this is a support area that now is acting as a resistance. When the price reverses, it's not going to just pass through here easily. If it passes, then it means this area is going to tend to be a support. It's going to come to retest. Maybe it's going to go up, but let us just wait and see. Thanks, guys. Subscribe, like. It will be good that you leave a comment so that we can do more of these analysis. Remember, this is a free analysis from the best trader in the world, the analyst. So now I was observing as well GBPJPY. I saw this as well as there's something happening here. Of course, cannot be naive, but there's something confirming that we might see bears taking over. because what I've noticed in almost all the cases when the markets are uncertain, there's no stability in the markets, JPY is always strengthening because of, I believe, because of their the nature of their politics. They are not chaotic, so many investors, they like to go to JPY. Some they go to gold, of which is the standard. Gold is the one that many use to keep their assets because it's not volatile, it's stable. So but JPY, when it comes to currencies, is one of the currencies that tends to be strong when the markets are in the condition that they are in now, which is they are too volatile. We are expecting Fed this week. We don't know what might happen. So this is what I see on JPY. You see the market. See the structure here. The market has not been doing well. It's not been doing well. You see, it has been moving sideways. It has been moving sideways here for some time. Sorry guys, let me just switch off my phone. I'm trading on the other side and just switch it off. Thank you. So you see the market has been trading up and down. This false breakout, I'm sure it did caught others. They thought the market is out. It's been trading on a range for I believe these were weeks, because from, let's check here, from August, I think the 9th of August up to 2nd of September, the market has been flat here until the breakout happened here. So now what do we see? The bulls managed to take the price further up to as far as this point. So now the market has been coming down, and here you see the market did break and it went up again, but eventually they broke this, I can call it a minor support, because it was a support, but it was broken by the bears up to this area. Now I want you to notice this. This point is key. This point is key. I hope guys you're with me. This point I said is key. This point is key because it's the one that broke this resistance before. So you see here the market failed, the market failed, the market failed. So this is not just an area, but it's a strong area, because the market has been failing for some time, for a couple of days, failing, but it broke here. Now it's back to retest what was once a strong resistance. Now it's turned to be a support. That's why the market here even failed to go down, but it went up. And also, do not forget here, the market had to come down, it failed, went up, it came again to test the area, it failed, went up again, it came, it broke, and it went back to first test, and then it could not go up, but it went down to come into this support. Now it's going up to test again this area, which is this area. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to show you. I don't want the video to be so long, guys. I'll try by all means to be quick with you. This is another area. These are the key areas that I'm observing. Now we are at this again point. What am I anticipating? What am I anticipating here? I anticipate that the bulls might fail. Probably they might fail to go up, but it will go down. But now, if it goes down, where is it heading? It's heading here. Probably they'll break, probably they'll fail. Let's keep watching and be observant. Please, if you're gonna enter this trade, try by all means necessary to make sure that you are taking it with proper risk management. For example, if you're thinking of selling here, make sure that your stop loss is just here above this area, somewhere around 164.57. That's where your stop loss is. And then your target of pips, you can target from here up to here, meaning the halfway. You still made money. Remember, guys, this is a big field with giants in it. So they are not going to allow us just to take money. They are going to always try to manipulate. So, friends, this is what I saw in GBPJPY. Let me just check on H4. Is it saying the same thing? Yes, on H4 is saying the same thing. Look what I saw in H1 is here. The market has been trading sideways. Look at this area. Look at this area. Look at this area. Look where we are. So I believe the market is still coming here. But it's all, guys, what you call high probability. So friends, be blessed. God bless you guys. You want to trade with me? In the description below, I do have my Telegram. So yeah, you can connect up with me. God bless you all, guys. The analyst is out and about, believing that you are going to make this money. God bless.